Welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic poverty, which is very popular in our Pakistani society. Especially Pakistan is facing too much this social issue in COVID-19 pandemic. So I want to discuss about how can we reduce poverty from Pakistan. By adopting some methods, we can reduce poverty. So we are going to discuss about the topic that is poverty. So first of all, I will say that it is in a very beginning. I will say if we want to reduce poverty from Pakistan, so our focus must be on growing rate of population because Pakistan is the fifth largest populated country in the world. So here we can say if we want to reduce poverty from Pakistan, so our main motive must be to aware people about our growing rate of population and our population, because when we create a family plannings and when we aware people about how can we reduce poverty from Pakistan, so our main motive must be on to control population growth in Pakistan. So we can reduce poverty because when we create family plannings, so this will help us to reduce poverty from Pakistan. I think so this is the first step we can take it for to remove the poverty from Pakistan. On the other hand, if I will discuss about if we want to reduce poverty from Pakistan, so it is our responsibility to keep check on our surrounding areas. Our people living in our surrounding have all basic requirements. With the help of they can easily survive, like shelter, food, health facilities and educational facilities, because these are the basic requirement of everybody for survival. So if we want to reduce this is our main motive, because everybody have the responsibility. If we want to reduce poverty, so first step is to take for to control our population, and then second step we can take it as like we can help other people, like we provide some help, like we provide people food, we can provide better health them, and we can also provide the educational facilities, because educational facilities are very important for everybody. If we provide educational facilities to other, this is the basic need, because if people are educated, they can take better step for food, for health, for shelter, and for each and everything which is a basic requirements of them. So we also we can take this step, and we can create awareness through social media. We can create awareness through social media and reduce poverty from Pakistan. And in the third step, I will say if we want to reduce poverty from Pakistan, it is our huge responsibility to educate youth, because in my point of view, education can be solved many issue of life, because educated person can do many things for the survival of life. So education is must in every field of life. So the third point is very important, because if our youth is well aware about education, if our youth is educated, so we can reduce this thing, because we know youth is the manpower of Pakistan, and the large number of youth are in Pakistan. So youth can take better step for the survival of people and for better survival of life. They can also provide awareness, they can create awareness, because many youth members, young people, young children, young girls, young boys are going to school, colleges, universities. They can create awareness, they can raise awareness. So through campaign, through creating social media pages, and creating many other YouTube channels or many other things so they can create awareness in people's. How can we take better step for education, how can we improve our education, and how can we survive better, because educated people can do many things in many field of life. So the fourth step is, here we can say the fourth step is this is I can say this is the we can say this is the main responsibility of our government to provide job facilities, because in Pakistan there are many people who are jobless or low rank and low position. The higher position firstly given to the rich and powerful people. So it is a great responsibility of our government to select people on merit, or on merit, not on status or on power basis, then we can reduce poverty from Pakistan. Because we are seeing here, the government or the job quota of the high job status is given to the rich people and capitalist society, and the people which are from from less they belong to not they not belong to well. Because we can say the government provide high jobs to the high status people, and other jobs are given by the low rank peoples, and we can say the people which are not have the people which do not have a high status. So government can take this step to provide better jobs to everybody, because it is the need of time. Because when government provide jobs on merit basis, the people can survive in a better ways, and everybody have right to take better jobs. So our government must take this step to provide jobs to our youth, our laborers, and every field of life. People which belongs to every field of life, they provide jobs to them. So in the final step, I will say, if we want to reduce poverty from Pakistan, I will say the government must make technical institution for people which help them to learn make many things related to technology. Because in this modern era, many people are not well educated, but many people are educated, but unfortunately they do not have any know-how about technology. So we can create awareness in people, how can we use technology, how technology help us to promote our education, how technology make us aware about the world. Because we are using technology by 24/7 hours. So we can create awareness in people, how do we reduce poverty, how we can create awareness of jobs, how can we create awareness of technology use. We can create awareness in people by using technology. If we are well educated, if we are well knowledge about technology, and how we use our laptops, how we use our phones, how we use other technological things which make us improvement in our education, in our skill growing. So we can grow our skill, we can enhance our skill while using technology. Because this is a modern era where people are using technology, and in every field technology is using in every field of, like if we went to hospital, there is almost technological work. If we see in school, a lot of technologies are used in school, like teachers are using technology to wear children's. So in every field of life, technology is using in every field of life. So our main motive must be to provide technical information, technical education in our students. Because if we are see, there is a lot of information in our Google sites, or YouTube, or WhatsApp, or Messenger, or Instagram, or Facebook, but people are not well aware about these things. So our main motive must be to create awareness in people. Thank you so much.